To prepare tomato methi curry, let's take a kadai first and switch on the stove. Add some oil to it. After heating the oil, put onions into it and fry it well until it is brown. After frying the onions well, we can add ginger garlic paste and stir it well so that it doesn't stick to the kadai. Then add a pinch of turmeric and stir it properly. Add curry leaves and coriander leaves, and after frying it, methi curry leaves should be added, and ensure that methi curry leaves are fried very well so that it doesn't taste bitter if you are not frying it properly. And then add tomatoes, stir it properly, add salt according to your taste. After cooking it for some time, then you can add chili powder to it and let it cook for some more time, and then it's ready to serve.